Welcome to Pi Academy, the place for mathematics and science. Dear students, let's continue to discuss the chapter light, reflection and refraction. You all know that we are in the last part of this chapter. So before going to that part, just we shall recall some of the important points what we discussed in yesterday's class. In yesterday's class, we solved the problems on lens formula with respect to concave lens, right? Only that. Then after that, we learned one more important concept called total internal reflection. So when a light ray enters into a medium, if it undergoes the reflection many times, we call that as total internal reflection. And this total internal reflection takes place under two conditions, right? Saunal, what are those two?
The ray of light travels from denser medium to rarer
medium, angle of
Very good.
incidence is greater
Second one?
than the critical angle.
Very good, very good. First one is a ray of light travels from denser medium to rarer medium. And second one is angle of incidence is greater than the critical angle. Then what is angle of incidence? Sorry, critical angle? No, what is critical angle?
The angle of incidence which makes the angle of reflection 90 degree.
Very good. An angle of incidence which makes the angle of refraction 90 degree is called critical angle. Yesterday even we had drawn the ray diagram with respect to critical angle and also the angle of incidence which is greater than the critical angle. Just once I remind you, this is a layer which separates two medium. One is here, this medium. The medium which is above this layer is denser, and below this it is rarer. And this is the normal drawn to the layer. And this is the ray of light which incident, which is called incident ray. As the light ray is traveling from denser to rarer, you all know that it bends away from the normal. And this is the angle formed by the incident ray and the normal drawn at the point of incidence, which is called angle of incidence. And when this angle of incidence is increased, even the angle of refraction also get increased. At a certain angle of incidence, then angle of refraction will be 90 degree. The angle of incidence which makes the angle of refraction 90 degree, this is called critical angle. In critical angle, the refracted ray, it lies on the line which separates two medium. Then when the angle of incidence is greater than critical angle, see that this angle is greater than the critical angle, then the refracted ray get reflected in the same medium. And we have called this as total internal reflection. So this was the concept that we had discussed in the last class. And now we are moving to the next part of this chapter. You will stop writing and observe them. We are very familiar with the lenses. What do you call the nature of the lens whose focal length is negative?
Concave lens.
concave.
What do you call the lens from which we always get virtual and erect image?
Concave lens.
It is concave. In which of the lenses we get the image of an object on the screen?
Convex lens.
Convex.
Convex. So here, let me go for drawing a lens. This is the aperture and is one surface, and this is second surface. And this is a double convex lens, simply called convex lens. And what do you call this?
Principal axis.
Principal axis. What about this? Optical center or optic center. Now let me draw one more horizontal line with respect to length. Principal axis.
Aperture.
Aperture. What it is?
Convex lens.
Convex
Convex
lens.
lens.
Optic
Optic
center.
center.
Principal focus.
Principal focus.
Principal focus.
Here also, principal focus. Look here. Here I have taken two convex lenses. I call the first one as L1, second one as L2. With respect to first one, the rays of light coming from the object incident on the lens parallel to the principal axis. What happens? They get refracted
Meet at
and
focus.
these refracted rays meet at a point on the principal axis. We call that point as principal focus. Similarly, here also, let us take some rays of light coming from the object incident on the lens parallel to the principal axis, and after the refraction, all the rays meet at a point on the principal axis. Here also we have called F as the principal focus. But what difference do you find in both the convex lenses?
Focal length size.
Yeah,
Focal length.
there is difference in the focal length. Look at here. This is the focal length of first lens. I call it as F1. And here, this is F2. Which of these two has less focal length?
F2.
L2.
L2. Then in which of these two light rays converge quick as possible?
L2.
L1 or L2?
L2.
What may be the reason for this?
Because the focal length is nearer, sir.
Focal length is smaller than the first one. Focal length of second lens is smaller than the first one. Hence, soon after the refraction, light ray get converged at a point on the principal axis quick as possible than the first one. And moreover, and you can also notice that L1 and L2, here L1 is thinner than the L2. Both are convex. L1 is thinner than the L2, hence its focal length will be more. In your previous classes, particularly in 8th standard, you had learnt about the human eye, right? In that, a crystalline lens will be there. What type of lens which is there in our eye? Convex or concave?
Concave,
Concave, sir.
Convexity is
convex, sir.
convex, and it will be like this. And if you want to see the far objects, your lens, eye lens will automatically adjust the focal length. That means it becomes thin. Because to see distant object, the focal length should be more. If the focal length has to be more, then it should be thin. Got it? And to see nearby objects, then our eye lens will adjust by itself. That is like this. It becomes thick and immediately it will converge the light. See, from this we can come to know that the converging power of the lens is differ from 1 to 1. The lens one which is thicker has more converging power, right? It will convert the light quick as possible. Thinner, it converts the light rays after some time. That is, take with more time transit. So this degree of convergence of the light from the convex lens is called, it is power of the lens. Means how quick the light ray get converged through a lens, or how slow the light ray get converged through the lens. It is called its power. It's all about power of convex lens. Whereas in case of concave, it is the degree of, or the measure of degree of divergence of light through the lens. It is called power of concave lens. In general, we can say that the degree of measure of the convergence or divergence of light through the lens is called power of lens. That is the general meaning. Could you tell which physical quantity will decide the power of the lens?
Meter.
Diopter.
L1.
Focal length.
Focal length.
If the focal length is more, converging or power of the lens is less. If the focal length is less, converging power is more. So then how this power of lens is related to focal length? Inversely proportional.
1 by f.
It is
1 by focal length.
P is proportional to 1 by f. P equal to 1 by f. And we will define power of the lens based on this power as the reciprocal of focal length of a lens in meter. The reciprocal of focal length of a lens in meter is called power of the lens. And when you are finding the power of the lens, please do remember focal length should be expressed in meter. Clear? Then this power of lens can be found out or can be measured by using the unit called
Diopter.
it is diopter. D-I-O-P-T-R-E, diopter. And symbolic representation is just D. Followed. Then we have to define one diopter. How do you define one diopter? Very simple. Power of a
1
lens
by
is
f.
said to be 1 diopter if its focal length is if its focal length is
1 by f.
1 meter.
1 by f.
Focal length of the lens ಏನಾದ್ರು 1 meter ಇತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ then we say its power is 1 diopter. And you also know that focal length of the convex lens is positive and concave lens is negative, right? See, if I write P is equal to plus 2.5 diopter, then could you tell what is the nature of the lens?
Convex lens.
It is
Convex lens.
convex lens.
Convex lens.
Again, focal length of the convex lens is positive, hence power will also be positive. Similarly, if I write P is equal to negative 2.5
Concave lens.
diopter,
Concave
nature of
Concave lens.
Concave. Concave lens. Hope that you might have observed that those who are using the spectacle after getting the eye checkup, then doctor will give you a prescription. In that, it is mentioned like plus 0.25 or minus 0.25. They won't mention the unit. Unit and mention model. You have the prescription noted 0.25 and minus 0.25. Then what do these numbers indicate? Obviously, they indicate the power of
Near
the
and
lens
far.
to be used to correct the defect of your eye. And you also know that just I'll go for reminding you the defects of eyes. There are 2 types, right? So many of them will take 2 types. However, one is myopia and second one is hypermetropia. And what is the other name of myopia? It is short-sightedness. What is short-sightedness? One can see nearby objects clearly, but not far objects. Andre far objects are ಕಾಣಿಸುತ್ತೆ, but it will be bit blur.
Not
Okay. Short-sightedness, sightedness, able to see, and short-sightedness means small distance objects can be seen clearly, but not greater distance. This is what we say, myopia or short-sightedness. To correct this defect, which type of lens is used?
Convex.
Concave.
Convex.
Concave.
convex.
Hmm?
Convex.
Convex.
Concave.
Concave.
lens would be used. And the defect of eye by which a person can see far objects clearly, but not nearby objects, then we call that defect as hypermetropia or long-sightedness. Then to correct the long-sightedness, we go for using a convex lens or suitable focal length in front of the eye. Please do remember. Hangandre, just one simple question. A person, doctor has given the prescription that it is lens of 0.25 diameter should be used. Could you tell what type of lens should be used by the patient?
Convex.
Convex. To
Convex.
correct which defect?
Hypermetropia.
Hypermetropia.
Which? Negative.
Concave.
Concave.
Concave lens.
Which lens?
Concave lens.
Here. It's such a simple concept. Now I'll go for writing. You should also copy the same. Right. Side heading. Power of lens. Side heading. Power of lens. Power of lens. Let me write the meaning of this. Right. The measure of degree of convergence or divergence of light rays. Convergence or divergence of light rays by the lens. By the lens is called power of lens. Most of the time we accept the definition as the reciprocal focal length of the lens in meter is called power of the lens. So let me write that also. Copy this. The reciprocal of focal length of a lens in meter is called power of a lens. Write the formula. It is power is equal to 1 by focal length in meter. Symbolically, it can be written as P is equal to 1 by F. Next, SI unit. SI unit is diopter. In bracket, right, its symbolic representation, capital D. Then write one diopter. Definition of one diopter. One diopter. A lens whose power is said to be one diopter if its focal length is 1 meter. Also right side. If the focal length of a lens is 1 meter, then its power is said to be 1 diopter. 1 diopter. Then 1 diopter is equal to 1 by 1 meter. Next one. Note an important point in the first one. Listen to me. What do you say about the power of convex lens, whether it is positive or negative?
Positive, sir.
Positive.
Power of lens or power of convex lens will always be positive, and concave lens will always be negative.
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 To remember that and write. The power of convex lens, nothing but converging lens. Convex lens is positive. Next point. The power of diverging lens, nothing but concave lens, is negative. If you want to say power of the lens is more, what should be thickness? More or less? Yes. The thicker lens represents its power is more or less. Thicker lens.
Less.
More. ಅಲ್ವಾ? Converging power ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ or diverging power ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Thinner lens has less power but focal length ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Follow? Right. For a thicker lens, power is more and focal length is less or small. That is understood. Similarly, for a thinner lens, power is less. Let's take few numerical, right? Numerical problems. Let me take simple one. Right. A convex lens has the focal length, has the focal length, has the focal length 10 centimeter. Full stop. What is its power?
Plus 10 diopters.
Yes, huh?
Plus 10 diopter.
1, sir.
Observe, very simple one. Here, first I'll write the given information. Focal length of the convex lens is 10 centimeter. F is equal to plus 10 centimeter. As I said, to find out the power, it should be expressed in meter. Express 10 centimeter
10 by
in meter.
100.
10 by 100.
10 by 100 meter. Let it be as it is, 1 by 10 only. Easy agutte. Plus 1 by 10 meter. So with this information, you are going to find out the power. So we have a formula to find out power of the lens. It is
1 by F.
P is equal to 1 by F. It is 1 by, where F is 1 by 10. Take the reciprocal. It is 10 diameter plus 10 diameter. Power of the lens is plus 10 diameter. Next, second one. Right. Second one. A lens used for myopic eye. Myopic eye has the focal length 50 centimeter. Right. Find its power.
Minus 2 diopter.
Very good. Your students, just observe here. A lens is going to be used for correcting the myopic eye. Whether you go for using convex or concave.
Okay.
Concave, sir.
Concave.
Myopic eye means short-sightedness. One can see nearby objects clearly, but not far objects. So to correct that, we will go for using a concave lens. Concave lens I use one. So here they have given the focal length of concave lens. F is equal to negative or positive?
Negative.
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 Meter. Convert this into meter. It is
Minus 1 by 2 meter.
1 by, sorry,
Minus 1 by 2.
100 meter. Ones are twos are. It is minus 2 meter. Sorry,
1 by 2, sir.
minus 1 by 2 meter. Let us find out the power. Calculation. Power of the lens is 1 by F. It is 1 by, where F is minus 1 by 2. It is minus 2 diopters. Power of the lens is negative 2 diopters. Next one. The power of a lens is the power of a lens is plus 2.5 diopter. Sub question A. What is nature of the lens.
Convex lens.
Yes, very good. Convex lens. As it is positive, focal length will also be positive. So if the focal length is positive, then it is a convex lens. The nature of the lens is convex. Second one is right. Which defect of eye can be corrected using this lens? Which defect can be
Hypermetropia.
Hypermetropia.
corrected by using this lens? Myopia or hypermetropia?
Hypermetropia.
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 What is its focal length? Focal length.
250 centimeters, sir.
By 2.5.
Hmm?
250 centimeters.
Let us go for answering. 1 by.
Minus 0.40 meters.
Overall, look here. Here they are given power of a lens is plus 2.5 diopter. Let us answer for first one. What is the nature of the lens? You write convex. Convex lens because its focal length is positive. Let us answer for second one. B. Which defect can be corrected? It is hypermetropia. In bracket you may write it is long-sightedness. Next, let us go for finding solution for C. If calculation maker, focal length, write solution, don't write answer. What is its focal length? We have a formula to find out power of the lens. It is P is equal to 1 by F. Where P is plus 2.5 diameter. That's equal to 1 by F. How do you write 2.5 in fraction? The decimal is
5 by 2. 5 by 2.
25 by 10. 25 by 10 can be written as
2.5.
2.5.
5 by
5 by 2. Right? Illandre ನೀವು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಬರೆಯೋದಾದ್ರೆ F is equal to 1 by 2.5. You know that 2.5 plus 2.5. 5. 5 plus 2.5.
7.5.
5 plus 2.5. 7.5. Plus 2.5.
100. 10 sir, 10.
10. Then go for cancellation. Divide 1 by 2.5. ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ?
0.4.
0.4.
0.40, sir.
Or sir.
Hmm?
0.4, sir.
0.4, sir.
That's 0.4.
0.40.
0.4
meters.
meter. Convert that into centimeter.
40.
40 centimeters.
40 centimeters.
Alva. How do you make this calculation simple?
By taking
Divide both sides by 10.
Wait. 2.5 is there. This can be written as 25 by 10.
25 by 10 into 100.
2.5. In case 5 by 2, it's equal to 1 by F. Right? Then find out F. F is equal to
2 by 5.
multiply money. 2 by 5. multiply this, it is actually in meter. I mean, focal length in meter. Convert this into centimeter. 2/5 into 100 centimeter. Ones are, twos are, zeros are. It is 40 centimeter. Therefore, focal length of the lens is 40 centimeter. F is equal to 1/2.5 and is 0.4 into 100, it will be 40. Over. Next. Don't write, just look at them. Let me give you the power of lenses. Power of first lens is 2.5 diameter. Power of second lens is 1.75 diameter. Power of lenses, third lens is 3 diameter. What is the nature of these lenses?
Convex.
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 Because it is positive.
Positive.
Which of these three have more converging power?
3.
P3.
P3. Power
P1, P2 or P3?
P3.
P3, sir.
P2, sir.
P2, sir. P2, sir.
P2.
P1, sir.
P1. ನೀವೆಲ್ಲ
P2,
option
sir.
MCQ ನ ಕೇಳ್ಬಿಡೋಣ. C1, P2, P3.
P2, sir.
P1,
P2,
sir.
sir.
P2.
P2, sir. P2.
Some of all. Which one has more converging power? Andre more converging power means it must have less focal length. Which one will be having less focal length?
P2, sir.
P2, sir. P2.
P3, sir.
P2.
P3,
How
sir.
is that?
P3.
P3.
P1,
Okay.
sir.
See, it is very simple. Power,
P3.
it is converging power or diverging power, or how quickly a lens converts the light or diverts the light. Power ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ that has more converging power. Power ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ that has less converging power. Got it? So which one has more converging power? P3 has more converging power. And which one has least focal length?
P1, sir.
P3.
P3 only, sir.
P3, sir.
ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಅದ್ರ focal length ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. It has less focal length. Please do remember this. Got it? We know that focal length is reciprocal to, sorry, is inversely proportional to diameter. That is power. Our power is inversely proportional to focal length. That's why. Suppose we have two lenses. What type of lens it is?
Convex.
lens.
Convex.
Convex lens.
Convex.
Power as 2.5 diameter. What type of lens it is?
Concave.
Concave.
Its power, let it be minus 1.5 diameter. Next, one more. What type of lens it is?
Convex.
Convex.
Its power be 2 diameter. See, here we have used 3 lenses together. This is the combination of lenses. Then if these three lenses are used together, then what will be its power? Its power will be
Sum of all the reflection
of
focals.
all the three lenses, that is P1 plus P2 plus P3.
6, sir.
Then first one is 2.5, second one is minus 1.5, third one is plus 2. It's equal to 4.5
3, sir.
minus 2.5. It is
3,
3.
sir.
So
3, sir.
the power of the combination of these lenses, it is 3
diopter.
diopter. Got it?
Sir.
Write down that. Side it in. Power of a combination of lenses.
Sir, in combination, it is positive or negative?
Positive only. Here, this is
The sign greater.
a combination of lenses. Power of a combination of lenses. Right. If more than one lens is used together, then its power is the sum of powers of all the lenses. That is, power of combination of lenses P, which is equal to P1 plus P2 plus P3 and so on up to Pn. Here, just to you can show like this. P1, P2, P3, P4. Here, also question is there, right? If a convex lens of focal length 4 diopter, if a convex lens of focal length 4 diopter and the concave lens and a concave lens of focal length minus 10 diopter are placed contact with each other. Then find the resultant power.
Minus 4 diopter.
For the
Minus 6 diopter.
Minus
Right.
6. Minus 6
power
diopter.
of convex lens is given, it is 4 diopter. I call it as P1. P1 equal to plus 4 diopter. And P2 is the power of concave lens, its power is minus 10 diopter. You are going to find out the resultant power, that is P equal to question mark. We have a formula. It is P is equal to P1 plus P2. This is equal to 4 diopter plus of P2 is minus 10 diopter. It's equal to minus 6 diopter. So resultant power is minus 6 diameter. Second one. Right. The focal lengths of two lenses are it is 25 centimeter and minus 15 centimeter. Full stop. If they are contact with each other, then find the resultant power.
Plus
Giving you the
10
focal length, they have asked
10
just five.
centimeter, 10 diameter.
Combination. Let us write the data. First one, focal length of first length is 25 centimeter. They only have given it is positive. What type of lens it is? Convex.
Convex.
It is in centimeter, convert this into meter. It is 25 by 100 meter. It is 1 by 4 meter. Next, F2 is equal to minus 15 centimeter. This can be written as minus 15 by 100 meter, which is equal to 5 3s are 5, 20s are. Now let us find out the power of each lens. P1 is 1 by F1. It's equal to 1 by, where F1 is 1 by 4, which is equal to 4 diameter. It's equal to, take the reciprocal of 1 by 4, it will be 4 by 1. It is 4 diameter. Next, P2, this is equal to 1 by F2. 1 by, where F2 is minus 3 by 20. And this can be written as minus 20 by 3 diameter. Then we want resultant
8 by
power
3.
of the combination of lenses.
Minus 8 by 3 diameter.
P1 plus P2, where P1 is 4 diameter, P2 is minus 20 by 3. This is equal to 12 minus 20 by 3. This is equal to 12 minus 20 means minus 8 by 3. You can calculate. Minus 3 ones are 3, 2s are 6 are 7s are. Approximately it is minus 2.67 diameter. Got it? Aditi, yes.
Sir, once again
Understood.
explain, sir.
Even this can also be simplified directly as 20 by 3 can be written as 6.67. And then you bury 6.67. If it is subtracted, you will get again, say, minus 2.67.
Sir, please once again explain from first, sir.
Huh?
Explain from first once again.
Finished?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next.
Yes, sir.
Listen, one general question. We will go for using a reading lens. Which is called reading lens? What is the nature of reading lens?
Convex
Convex or
Convex lens.
convex? Convex. Just I'll go for taking a convex lens. Let us go for covering half of it with a black color sellotape, like this. Then can we use this lens for catching the image on the screen? Here it is. Some object is there. Is it possible to catch the image on the screen? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
But
sir.
not completely, partially.
Pardon me? Not complete image. Half
Yes,
Bharata.
sir. Yes, sir.
Half. You know, just observe here. Here the light rays coming from the object. And another light ray. Whether image is formed or not. Image again formed. Image formed. But the intensity of the image is less. Andre namige complete clear concept. Simple for blur ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ. Got it? Image is formed on the screen because light rays can pass through the lens to form the image. As one student said that here the light ray passes through lower part of the lens partially. Hence, we'll get bit blurred image or low intensity image. This is one of the questions which has been asked repeatedly. So now I'll give you the same question. Please go for writing. This is also for my textbook. If 3/4 of it is covered, how do image form of it? But it is much blurred. Here many light rays will pass. So that part is formed here also. Illi form agutte. But here as the light ray pass through this very hardly, hence the much blurred image is formed on the screen. Right. Star mark and right. One half of a convex lens right. One half of a convex lens, and for this please put Krishna. One half of a convex lens is covered with a black paper. Is covered with a black paper.
Third question.
Full stop.
Third. Yes, sir.
With this lens,
Third question, sir.
in this lens, produce a complete image of the object. This lens produce complete image of the object. Put question mark. Verify your answer through ray diagram or experiment. Through ray diagram. Then explain. Yes. Written. We have 3 sub questions. First one, yes or no question. Yeah. One half of a convex lens is covered with a black paper. That just I have shown that. Next, first sub question. Will this lens produce complete image of the object?
Yes.
Complete formal.
Yes,
Just
sir.
we have to write. Yes, it forms complete image of the object. Adun worry. Right. Answer. Yes. It produces the complete image of the object. Complete image of the object. Next, verify your answer through ray diagram. Now we shall go for drawing the ray diagram. Take scale and pencil. Right. Ray diagram. Draw a straight line. And go on marking for every 2 to 6. Go on marking for every 2 centimeters. Yeah, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. At one point, draw a perpendicular which represents aperture. To catch the image of the object, which lens has to be used? Convex. They only are given. Let us go for drawing. Convex lens. Draw a convex lens. As just said, one half of it is covered with black paper. So I'm going to show that with the shaded part. Next, could you tell to get the image where the object should be placed? Between O and F?
Between F and 2F.
Between F and 2F, at 2F, beyond 2F, wherever, any of them. After F, wherever you want, you can place the object. Right. Here I am going to place. This is the object. I name it as A. We all know that the first ray is parallel ray. Ray of light coming from the object incident on the lens parallel to the principal axis. So this ray passes through focus. Then another ray. Coming from the object incident at optical center, it passes through the lens without bending. Let me show you the image. Have you got same?
Yes, sir.
Over. So image is formed. Here I write AB. It is object. And A dash, B dash. This is image. Now let us give explanation. How do you give your explanation? A complete image is formed, but this image will be having low intensity, or intensity of the image is reduced. And the reason is that, look here, the rays of light passing through the lens, some of them will pass through the lens hardly and meet at a point. Therefore, the complete image form will be, its intensity will be reduced. Clear? Right. Explanation. Right. The rays of light pass through uncovered part easily, whereas the rays pass through covered part of the lens, covered part of the lens, pass through covered part of the lens, whereas the rays pass through covered part of the lens hardly and meet at a point to form complete image of the object. But the image will get reduced its intensity. Right. Yes, sir. Next, another question which was given in the examination. Let's go for discussing that. Here they are given the focal length of lenses as well as mirrors. Focal length of convex mirror is given. Convex mirror, it is 50 centimeter. Convex lens, focal length is given 50 centimeter, and another convex lens of focal length 5 centimeter. Concave lens, its focal length is 50 centimeter. Another concave lens of focal length 5 centimeter. Which among these four is used as reading lens for
Convex lens.
convex lens?
Convex lens.
The convex lens of 5 centimeter focal length, sir.
Which of the following lenses would you prefer to use while reading small letters found in the
Second lens.
dictionary?
Concave lens, sir.
Convex lens of focal
Second one,
length.
Convex lens of 5 centimeter.
Convex lens, sir.
Listen, first of all, to read the small letters given in the dictionary, obviously we will go for using convex lens. Alva?
Convex lens.
So these are to be neglected. Concave now, neglect one. Now we have convex lens of 50 centimeter and convex lens of 5 centimeter.
Convex lens of 5 centimeter.
Second lens, sir.
5 centimeters.
5 centimeter. Why it is? Why not?
As the focal length is
As
less,
the focal length of
the
it is
converging
less,
power
sir.
will be more.
It will produce magnified image, sir.
Convex lens of focal length 5 centimeter. Focal length kadme ide. And the converging power?
More, sir.
More, sir.
More.
What is? Andre, this lens is much thicker than the first one. Therefore, this is usually thicker lens is used as a reading lens. Got it? This was given in the examination as well. Idile matte convex anta kodbiಟ್ಟು ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಕೊಡು 25 and 30. ಎಲ್ಲ convex lens ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡು convex lens. Which among these is used?
Convex
5
lens of 5
centimeter, sir.
5 centimeter. Now, which among these is used?
Convex lens of 25 centimeter.
Now the ಕಡಿಮೆ focal length ಇರುತ್ತೋ that will be used because
25 centimeters.
its converging power will be more. That will be thicker. Hence, that is used as a reading lens. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Next, one more question. Wait. One more question. This was given in the examination. Just we shall go for discussion. Don't go for writing. The question has been given like this. An object 5 centimeter in length is held 25 centimeter away from a converging lens of focal length 10 centimeter. Question is given like this. What is the power of this lens? One thing. Second thing, draw the ray diagram to find the position, size and nature of the image form. Adhan already discussed madidini. But here, one thing is converging lens, which is the converging lens?
Convex lens.
Convex lens is 10 centimeter. 10
Power is
centimeter.
plus 10 diopter.
Power?
Plus 10 diopter.
Plus 10 diopter.
Plus 10 diopter.
Got it? apart from all these, just we shall go for discussing about uses of convex and concave lens. Adon bottom last concept. Right. Uses of convex lenses. Uses of convex lens. Uses of convex lens. Right. Where the convex lens is used?
Reading
Yes,
glass.
it is used as a reading glass, and also it is used by palmists, right?
In
Right.
camera also, sir.
It is used as reading lens.
Microscope.
Not only that, it is used as a magnifying glass. Magnifying glass. Then it is
Projector.
used by palmists to depict what? Future of a person. To depict future of a person, did it? By observing the rays. By observing the rays.
Used in cinema theaters.
This lens is also used for correcting the defect. Alva, yavadu? Myopia or hypermetropia?
Hypermetropia.
Hypermetropia.
It is used for correcting the defect of eye called hypermetropia. Nothing but long sightedness. Hypermetropia.
Sir, in projector.
Yeah, it is used in
Microscope.
optical instruments like telescope, projector. Will it be used in microscope?
Camera, sir, camera.
Camera.
It is used in camera. Very good. It is used in. Is it used in microscope? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Concave.
Yes, sir.
Both the side it will be used. Got it?
Yes,
Right.
sir.
It is used in optical instruments like it is used in optical instruments like right camera, telescope, microscope. Binoculars ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಲ್ವಾ, ಕಾನ್ವೆಕ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. Binoculars. Even we can write projector also. Very good. Next, uses of concave. Uses of concave. Uses of concave lens. Right. We also know that this is also used for correcting the defect of eye. ಯಾವುದು? Short sightedness, nothing but
myopia.
right. It is used for correcting is used for correcting the defect of vision or defect of eye. Vision called myopia. In bracket you may write short sightedness. And famous scientist Galileo Galilei, he has used
Telescope.
concave lens in his telescope. Do you know what is one of his main contribution? Galileo Galilei. He has
Telescope.
found 4
Telescope.
brightest satellites of Jupiter. ಯಾವ್ಯಾವುದು? Io, Europa, Ganymede, Callisto. Alva, which are learnt in 8th standard. Right. It is used in Galilean telescope. Right. And it is used in wide angle spy hole in doors. It is used in wide angle spy hole doors. Next, one more. It is used in combination with convex lens to make high quality lens. High quality lens. Written up. Listen. So this is about the chapter light, reflection and refraction. Just I have to give you some information. In tomorrow's class, again, we will focus on this chapter. As I said, experiment will be conducted on refraction of light through rectangular glass slab. So we shall conduct that here. Similarly,
excuse me, sir.
Projector, let me show you the formation of the image by lenses, convex and concave. Other ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ time agutತ್ತೆ.
Side please, sir.
And we will also focus on the experiments related to the different types of chemical reactions. So this is my plan for tomorrow's class. One is experiment on refraction of light through rectangular glass slab. Second one is formation of image by convex and concave lens. Third one, practicals on different types of chemical reactions. Got it? Yes. Now it is 5 minutes are there. Okay.
Side please, sir.
You can observe that. If any person is standing outside that door, they can be seen in that hole only, in that lens only. It is erect image. Yes. With this, let us stop the class. And
Sir,
one more information. Wait.
Side, please, sir.
Wait. Listen. One more information is, today you will be having
Performance.
online performance test. That is through Google Form.
Yes, sir.
And the syllabus is, it's about lenses. Alva, last time I had given you the questions are mirrors. This time completely the refraction concept. Refraction.
Yes, sir.
Maybe the definition, refractive index, then formation of image by convex lens, concave lens, power of lens, then combination of power of lens. ಈ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. So
Sir, we
time
treated
from
from-
7 to 7:40. Marks as usual, 25. Okay. Thank you very much.
Okay, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, right.
Thank you,
Sir,
sir. Bye.
Thank you.
Okay,
Thank you,
bye-bye.
sir. Okay, bye, sir.
Yes, sir.
thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Sir, last week's
Thank
Google
you.
release, sir.
Yes.
Last week's test Google marks.
Sir has told me that today he'll give the Google form. That is last week test wave for test marks you have to enter, no? So Google form will be sent. Prashant sir. Prashant sir.
Bye, sir.
Others come somewhere. Okay, just leave the class.
Thank you, sir.
Oh, okay,
Thank
okay,
you,
thanks,
sir.
thanks.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, move one by one.
Thank you, sir. Bye,
Okay, okay, thank you, thank you.
Okay.